Okay, so the question is like you have a number line and you have infinite numbers on the number line. Now you're given two types of queries. It's either 1 comma x or it's 2 comma center comma range. So if you have the query of type 1 comma x, then that means go on 4 on the number line and place an obstacle. Okay, so this is the obstacle kind of the query. Go to number 5, sorry, this won't be 5, this would actually be 8 in this scenario. Go to the number 8 on the number line and place an obstacle over there. Now the second type of query has three things. Okay, it has basically center and range. The second type of query says that if I take 6 as the center and then this as my range, so in 6 plus 1 and 6 minus 1, okay, so 2 you decrement it by 1 becomes 1. Do I have an obstacle or not? So from 5 to 7, do I have an obstacle? I don't. So for this the answer would be 1. Okay, now 6 comma 3, so that would means that your center is 6 plus 2 over here and minus 2 over here. When I do that, I see there are two obstacles in my way, so the answer would be 0. Similarly for here 5 comma 2, I go to 5, I check there is an obstacle over here, so the answer is going to be 0 again. This is what we had to return as the answer. Okay, so you have two types of queries. Now, one very simple way of doing it is by using sets. Okay, by using a set of integer, and then whatever number they give you, you just put it in the set, you know. And why we are using a set is because it gives better, if you're searching for something, it gives you better time complexity over there, right? So what you do is you for example, if it's 6 comma 2, then you need to start from 7 and go till 7. 5, start at 5 and go till 7. If it's 6 comma 3, you know that you need to start from 4 and go till 8. So you, using a simple for loop, you iterate through 4 till 8, and you see if you have, you iterate from 5 till 7, and you see if 5 comma 6 comma 7, if either one of them is present in the set. If none is present in the set, then that means you have 1, otherwise it's 0. But then for this thing, what would happen is that each query is being dealt in O of n time, right? Can we do O of log n? Maybe for each query. That is something which we need to figure out, right?